A grey BMW. Which is a stolen vehicle. Officer Malandas begins the inspection. Officer Malandas begins the inspection. Hey, is the car on the left the one? Officer Malandas turns on the emergency lights. That's right, the license plate confirms it's him. A long chase. That will haunt Malandas for the rest of his life. Has begun. Hello everyone, I am the head of reviews. Here is the story of an American police pursuit. Today, another person who dared to chase and dared to crash has appeared, praised by many netizens as one of the 3 daring heroes of America. Patrol Officer Jew. Florida Highway Patrol. But this video shows us that this state is really reckless. Even the driver is very reckless. Right now, the police car has just reported the situation and is accelerating hard to chase. But look at the BMW ahead. Oh, they're accelerating even faster. The police are having a tough time chasing this car. Now there's a car ahead. Finally, the gap is narrowing. But the BMW is pulling ahead. Look to the right, reinforcements are arriving. Now the BMW is heading towards the exit. Oh my God, listen to this. The police car has blown its tire for the second time. Oh, what's going on here? Why is this police car shaking so much? Is it because of too much Coca-Cola, or is the speed too high? Oh, I'm a little confused. The speed looks slow because of the dash cam. Just like earlier on the highway, the police car's speed didn't look fast. In reality, the police car had the accelerator all the way down. Top speed reached 150 kilometers, equivalent to 240 kilometers. Now back on the highway. The fleeing BMW is still far ahead. Let's see where it's going. It's still far ahead, indeed. This exit here, the traffic police aren't out yet, so he must have seen the BMW. There's a rear light ahead, it must be him. It's Lee Xian. Oh no, it's even farther. Today's scene feels a bit different, huh? What do you all think? Is it because the BMW's performance is too strong? Or is the scenery a bit lackluster this week? Currently, the traffic police my lung geez I floored the gas pedal again. 150 kilometers, equivalent to 240 kilometers. But in the lens, it's still impossible to distinguish which one is the BMW. Nothing else, just speeding forward. It must be ahead. Now I see it. There's a guy ahead running pretty fast. It's him, not. Turn left and change lanes. That's right, it's him. The police car has finally moved closer. It wasn't easy at all. Congratulations. The truck ahead is blocking the road. The BMW turns right, driving through the emergency lane. The traffic police are chasing closely. It's gone. The BMW is accelerating again. The distance is getting farther and farther. Today's video has cost the police a lot. It's really straining our eyes. Chief of Police Chu is once again giving it his all. He floors the gas and continues the pursuit. The BMW that's fleeing is heading towards the exit. Officer Trung has caught up. Oh, the BMW is slowing down. Finally, it's getting closer. Get closer, come on, crash into it. Oh, couldn't catch it. It's speeding off again. What does that mean? Is it provoking the police car? It's heading back towards the exit again. Up ahead, under the bridge, red light, turn left. This is the downtown area. Look ahead, the police lights are flashing. Reinforcements are here, the BMW is hesitating, not sure which way to turn. Turn right. This kid is pretty clever. He's afraid the police will use a spike strip, so he turned right. Keep running. Lots of cars ahead now. The BMW starts weaving through. Got it. Turn left. Turn right, into the gas station. He's out. Block him. He passed the police car. Check the side camera angle. Isn't it? Hey, this time the police car hit the signpost. The shot from behind the signpost is no longer there, because Lieutenant Jujing Mailende was removed and had to receive this meal box. Continue with the next part. The BMW drove for a while, then it lost control by itself and crashed into the bus stop. Both the driver and the passengers ran away on foot. The city police were mobilized to assist, which is the Fort Lauderdale police. They successfully apprehended the driver. They also used a K9 unit and caught the passenger who was hiding in a house. Later, the fleeing driver was charged with vehicle theft, evading the police, and reckless driving, non-violent arrest, fleeing from the police, assaulting a police officer, driving without a license, has been taken to Broward County Jail. The escaping passenger has also been brought in. The specific charges are unclear. That's it for today's video. I am the review leader, bringing you fascinating stories about American police. If you like it, please follow and like. Thank you for your support. See you in the next episode.